So if you are on a Roku and you're getting logged out of your apps repeatedly, there's a few things we're going to check. Few common issues are we need to clear the cache on the Roku. We need to reinstall the app. Sometimes there's a little bit of corrupted files within these streaming devices. Uninstalling and reinstalling usually helps. Or specifically with Netflix, the most of the time, if you have multiple devices on your account, it's going to log you out because Netflix is crazy now. So those are the three top things. I'll show you how to do each of them very quickly. First, clearing the cache. It's super cool. It's a secret code inside of Roku. What you need to do is hit the home button 5 times. Then you'll hit up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. That's going to set off a sequence here that will restart the Roku, which is going to actually clear that cache. A lot of times simply doing that's going to help, but we'll do that now. So home 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. So you saw that mine does this menu thing. It goes a little bit crazy there. And then like 10 seconds, 15 seconds later, it will restart the Roku device, clearing the cache. So if you're having your issue with Netflix, I don't have it set up here, but go into your actual Netflix account on a computer and find out how many devices you have associated with your Netflix account. Sometimes what it does, if you have a limit of 5 and your Roku is the last device on there, it's going to kick that off, and hence you're going to have your login issues there. So Netflix is usually the culprit that we're talking about here. That's how you're going to check it there. Now, another thing we can do, very simple here, is if Prime is the one that's giving you the issues, you would hit the star button. And actually, let me go down to Netflix and demo it here. Hit star. It's going to get our app information. We are going to check for updates. If there's no updates, we're going to remove the app. Hit remove here. It's going to take that out. And we're going to go into really any of these until we can find the search button here. Type in Netflix, give Netflix a search, add it back. My code is 0000, add app. So now if Netflix did have a corrupted file, we've now removed that corrupted file and brought in and that clean set of code should fix our issues. Okay. There we go. So those are the most common issues why your password or why your apps are having issues. Other things to check inside of settings, you would go down to system here. In the about section, I'm not going to show it, but make sure that you're logged into the proper Roku account. That could be an issue. And then here you also have, sorry, that's actually in the system section. In the you have a software update. So we're going to check to make sure that this does not need any updates. I'll do a quick check to show you what that looks like. Software is up to date. And then if it comes down to it, we can do a factory reset, which is going to remove all of our saved information from that Roku device. And it's basically like it's bought new, so we'll lose access to all of our apps. We'll have to put in our password, so it's kind of the nuclear option there. But those are everything we want to check when our apps are crashing. So I hope it helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time.